So today we are up for a Momo course in our Kiwi Hostel. You will all get on the video, just that you know. And now we're preparing the dough. There should be no crack. Crack, press, round it, no crack.
And then this one is making.
Yeah, it's super small, super thin.
Super
small.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Who made this?
No, me. It's for a pizza.
Oh, I will make it.
It's the big Momo.
Oh no.
Let's see. Next part. With no cracks, bigger the better.
Big momos.
Sorry?
Just
Yeah.
So, this should be fine.
How long do you cook a momo for?
How long do you cook the Momo?
5, 6, 7 minutes or 8 minutes.
Steaming.
In steam.
I got like hit and just...
The vegetable you have in here?
Carrot, cabbage, onion,
Coriander, no.
coriander,
Yeah.
and then onion. How do you say that?
Ah, the young onion.
Yeah.
The spring onion, yeah.
The spring onion, and then garlic and ginger paste.
Spices?
For taste.
Taste. Good. Coriander.
Coriander.
I hate coriander. Chicken. Okay.
And masala.
Chicken, coriander, onion, garlic,
How to call that?
coriander, garlic, chicken,
Yeah.
and salt a bit.
Bye.
How did you make the dough?
Just mix the flour and then water and then.
Okay, just flour and water.
If you wanna mix egg, you can.
Egg. Egg yolk, only the yellow part.
All of them.
All of them. Okay. It's fine.
Only.
Is that too much?
Yeah.
So we take this vegetable mix stuff.
You've done one?
So now we prepare the soup for the momos.
This is a momo soup. This one is momo.
Oh yeah, that's
And
already
this
the
is a
steamed.
pickle.
Pickle is the
Yeah.
sauce.
No, it's like
Chutney.
Chutney, yeah.
Chutney, yes. Here we have the chutney.
Yeah.
How is the chutney made?
By tomatoes,
Yeah. Onion.
salt, onion, garlic, and chili,
Okay.
and celery.
And here we make a chicken
Yeah,
stock.
it's chicken soup.
Chicken soup,
Yeah,
okay.
for this one.
So you just have onion, garlic, chicken,
Yeah.
some
After that, some
masala, spices. What's
Yeah,
inside there? Black pepper, coriander, cumin, red chili, turmeric, ginger, onion, garlic, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, mace, nutmeg. Okay. Nice. And what else you add there?
What?
Only this one.
No, other
Chicken
things
chili.
is also.
Okay. What else?
Other things are also there will be go downside and bring that because at the time it's not here.
Okay.
Can make a video of the momo.
Yes.
Chicken momo. This is chicken momo. It's a processing oil.
Okay. And the soup is there?
No, these all are chicken.
Ah, this is only steamed.
Yeah, only still.
Okay.